Thank you for joining me today. I went ahead and took off the packing slip and took out the packing slip, or took off the address label on the packing slip. But thank you for joining me today. This is going to be a random Goodwill Blue Box, so I'm not quite sure what all is going to be in here. And it is a Lego. I think it's 15 pounds of random Legos. So let's get into it and see what we got. Okay, right off the bat, there's a little truck type thing here. It's kind of cool looking. And then it looks like a trailer with a little bird on it. Part of a car. Got another part of a car right here. Some little plates here. And this is probably part of a bigger character or something like that that you build. Another little part of probably the same thing. A roof of a house. Must have gotten blown off from Wizard of Oz or something. Just kidding. Thank you for joining me today in this unboxing. I don't see anything else right off the bat besides maybe a half a Lego friend. More of that character right here. Not sure exactly what it's supposed to be, but big piece there. Okay. Some more plates. Get those out of the way. Looks like still in the bag. Some pieces there. Another piece, probably to the same thing. Another part of a car. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this, set all this stuff aside really quickly, and pour some of this out. Actually, I got another bag here of random stuff. This also contains a character. There's his torso right there, and his head is buried in there. And another bag of miscellaneous blocks, which I think these are maybe Mega Blocks. I don't think they're Legos. Quite a few bags of unopened. There's a dress, a head, and a torso for a character, and for hair, and a sword. It's kind of cool. And more bags. A helmet, a head. It's like a couple swords in there. Various other things. Big plate there. Just flung something over here. Another big plate there. Another big plate. Okay, I don't see any more bags right now, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, set all this stuff aside that's right here, like the bags and the pieces of that character and the vehicles that I found, and I'll be right back. Okay, thanks for bearing with me. I couldn't get the whole box onto the table. There's still just a little bit under half left in the box. But this is what I've got out here so far. And it looks like this is some type of car type thing. I don't know, I think this goes over here into that. I don't know. I'll have to look at it later and see what it might go to, but that's kind of cool looking. That aside, then we got this also. This kind of slides right here. Not exactly sure what exactly it's for. I'll have to try to figure that out later also. Lots of pieces to stuff on this one. This one's got a little grappling hook right here, and looks like it'd be a part of a cave or something. Okay. If you know what it is, definitely make comments and let me know on these items. Another piece looks like it might be to like some type of ship, but it's not all there. So anyways, I've been trying to go through and find some of these. This looks like maybe a Star Wars piece or something to play set. Not sure. Been trying to go through the boxes that I get and put the pieces together as best as possible, and I've gotten a few things that I've put together here and there. Some more plates here. Get all those pulled out of here. Maybe I'll do a video on the stuff that I've found and put together and show you what all I've gotten so far. But yeah, if you, any of my videos, if you see something that you know what it is, definitely don't hesitate to let me know so I can research it and see if I've got all the pieces to put it together. Again, I'm doing this because my stepson wanted to create a video, create a YouTube channel, and he recently passed away, trying to kind of just do something fun in his memory and something to relax and stuff like that. Not sure what that's for. Looks like another piece of a ship or something. Also, please try to keep the comments nice. I would appreciate it. You know, we've got a lot of stuff that we've been going through and stuff. Looks like a front of a semi there. That's actually pretty cool looking. Pretty detailed. Got a dog right here. When I was pouring this out, I did see several little minifigures. I also saw this. This is kind of cool. It lights up. I'm assuming it's supposed to have like a little thing that makes it look like a full-size saber. This end comes off, and I think it ends up coming apart for the batteries and stuff. So, that aside. See if I can find the saber part of that. Got a lot of stuff that's put together in this one. See what I can find in here for characters wise though. Looks like a little piece of bush or something. Hope you guys are having a good day, and some more little Lego pieces inside of a baggie there. Put that over there with the rest of them. Here's a horse. Another little thing right here, kind of cool looking. Got a little chicken leg. Chicken. Another car. It's built. It's kind of cool. Another half a car here. Probably needs some wheels and a few other pieces, small pieces to it. Got a character right here, missing his hands. A girl character right here. Looks like a little kid character right here having a little drink. Let's see what else we can find in here. Another little piece here. Not sure what that goes to. Stick it in the box over there. Another little character here. These are probably a lot of like city characters or something to that effect. I'm still new at trying to figure out some of these. I know some of like the Star Wars and Harry Potter figures and such, but I don't know all of them. So looks like a little cat right here. So again, if you know some of this stuff that I don't have information for, then definitely let me know. Got a little brown cat and a face. Some hair, fur minifigure. Like a flower. It's kind of cool looking. Have a few things out here real quick. Let's show you what I got. Okay, looks like maybe a Minecraft character. A little dog. A Lego Friends dog, probably. Another little character here. And then I got a face that's been kind of chewed up, it looks like. Unfortunately, a lipstick and a force lightning or something like that. A bicycle. Those are always kind of cool to find. There's another one. And yet another one. I like bicycles. I think they're always awesome. Another piece of that buildable character thing. I'm not sure exactly what it is or if it's even a character or what. So see what else I can find in this little bit here. Looks like a golden apple. A Minecraft bow and arrow, it looks like. Okay, that looks like most of the characters and stuff in this pour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and pour the rest of it out and go I'll be back with you in just a minute to go through that. Thank you very much. I'll be right back. Okay, I got that all cleaned up and got the next one poured out here. While I go through this, thanks for bearing with me for all of that. There's a character right off the bat. If you could please help me out and like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications of more content coming out. I've been filming quite a bit of these Lego things and trying to get out as much content as quickly as possible. So yeah. Not seeing a whole lot of characters in this box. Mostly probably just Lego city characters or something to that effect. Huh, there's a big head. It's kind of cool looking. Maybe it goes to that one thing that is halfway built. Another part of a vehicle, maybe a trailer or something. Another piece to maybe a ship or something like that. Looks like it's kind of cool looking. Another part of a vehicle. Another thing that's built up. Got a dog right here. And I'm going to go through and try to get all these figures out of here, and once I have everything done and cleaned up, I'll go ahead and show you everything that I've come up with. I found one more figure at the end of the, or when I was cleaning up last time. It was a Minecraft figure and some legs and various other things, but again, I'll go through all that when I'm finished here with getting stuff out. I definitely appreciate you guys watching the videos and helping me out by liking and subscribing and sharing the content with all your friends and stuff like that, so I can get more views and more subscribers and stuff too. Not finding a whole lot of content. Looks like a unicorn horn and a little feather or something, neon feather. I'm finding a lot of these lately. They're always good to have around. Another little feather here. And a bunch of Lego Friends stuff too in this too. Another one of these. And a skateboard. That's always cool. A brush for friends. Backpack. I'm trying to go through and find as much, there's a pair of legs right there for a friend's character. I think it goes to this character right here, which might be from Frozen. She's missing her hair. I'm trying to go through and find pieces and put together characters and such as I find them. I've got about 3 Darth Vaders, I believe, and several other Star Wars characters. Some different Marvel characters and such, like Venom and parts of Spider-Man's and parts of Magneto. But so far I haven't been able to find like the whole thing for Spider-Man or Magneto yet. Few Hulk. Just trying to build up what I have and see what else I can come up with. Trash can there. Looks like about it for this. Not seeing much else for character-wise. Oh, spider. We did actually find a spider in one of the boxes. I don't know if it was actually in the box or if it just happened to fall after the box was opened or whatever. And yeah, not the greatest situation. Kind of scared my wife a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this up here, and then I will show you what all I was able to find. Give me just a moment and I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, so this is basically what we found so far. A couple of Minecraft figures, and that looks like a bunch of other miscellaneous figures, skateboards, some bicycles, a Lego Friends figure, horse, a couple of winches, some animals, and then various parts and stuff like, oh, there's also a Minecraft bunny for Lego, some heads and miscellaneous other accessories and such. So that's what we found out of this mystery box. Not very much for character wise. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to, or please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.